Hi. What happens if you put super glue on top of super cold dry ice? This is a super glue gel. Now you don't want to handle the dry ice without gloves, so I brought a knife so I can scoop the super glue off. Let's put some down on it, let it sit for a little bit and see what happens. It's you probably can't see that, but the super glue is starting to bubble on top of the dry ice. Let it just sit for a moment. Like I said, you don't want to ever touch the dry ice unless you've got gloves on. See if I can scrape a little bit of it up, maybe flip it over. The super glue is still flexible, but it's not as sticky as it would be if it hadn't have been exposed to the dry ice. And that is because the super glue contents are getting down to the point of the same temperature as the dry ice, which is 109 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. It's starting to turn white as its temperature is lowering. And this is Gorilla Glue type super glue, which is actually a little bit stronger than regular super glue. And the super glue now has turned into a small, unstickable, for the most part, still a little sticky, disc that kind of resembles chewed gum. See, it sticks, but it's not as sticky as it would be normally. I mean, you can see it sticks, but then it falls right back off. Now, yeah, it's barely got any adhesion except in certain places now. So that is the effect of dry ice on very, very super glue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.